explaining to you how you actually use Box. So if you're a brand new client and you've never used Box.com before, you'll receive an email that basically just asks you to accept our invitation. All you need to do then is set your own password. You will need to remember this password though, and that will take you through a little wizard, and you basically will then come to this screen. If you are an existing Box user, so if we've invited you to collaborate on folders before, or alternatively if you use Box internally for your business, you'll already have a login. So when we invite you to a folder, all you do is accept that link, and again it will take you to this page. So if you've been invited to a folder, this is more than likely what you'll see when you log in or accept that invite. So you'll see a number of folders, and under each of those folders we'll be storing documents for you. So if you click on the actual folder or the actual name, you can then see that you'll have a number of documents under here. So what we'll be doing is we'll be storing your financial statements, your income tax returns, notice of assessments, any ATO correspondence, your management reports, business activity statements, basically all of the documents that we store on your behalf and that are required by law. We'll be storing and sharing with you in Box. This is a much better system than trying to email files back and forth with you, as it is a much secure system, and allows us to do a few more things and features in there as well. So as an example, if you wanted to just view the document, all you need to do is click on the test document, and this is going to bring up basically a preview for you. So it will generate the preview as a PDF, and you can see that I basically just have a test document in there. Alternatively, if you would like to actually download the document and have a look in a PDF format as an example, you would just click the download button, and that will bring it down to your downloads box down here if you're using Chrome, or if you're using another browser, it will come up somewhere different. So I could then open that test document, and that will open basically as a PDF. If I bring it over into my screen, so you'll see that that's a PDF document. There are a few other features and things that we can do. So I can click the back button, and that will take me back to where I was before, or alternatively I could have just clicked on the 2012 button up here, and again that would take me back to where I was. So I can make some comments on this file, so I could actually come up here and add a comment if you had a question or something like that in relation to that particular document. So there's a couple of ways that we can do this. You can just enter a general comment, and that comment might be, I don't understand. I have caps lock. So I don't understand, and click add comment. Or alternatively, if you wanted somebody to actually answer this, so you might say at Christy, and that will bring up Christy, can you please assist? Now what that will do is that will actually send a notification to Christy so that she can basically respond to that task for you, or respond to that comment, or alternatively if you don't put that in there, that will come to the rest of the team, so that will come to everybody. But we only get those notifications basically at the end of the day. So if I click the add comment button, that's now sending a notification to Christy so that she could respond with that comment as well. So there's a few other things that you can do with all of your documents if you wanted to. You can use this drop down box here to download if it's easier to do it that way, or alternatively you can press any of these buttons to upload new versions if you're uploading some documents as well. But it's a very, very simple system to use. So next time, if we're uploading more documents, you will get a notification to your email address that we have uploaded another document, and all you need to do there is click on that link, and that link will take you straight into here. Alternatively, if you just want to have a look at your documents at another stage, not when we've actually uploaded a different document, all you need to do is basically come to a new browser and say box.com, and that will actually take you, and I have an automation set up, but that will take you to your personal login for Box.com. Now under your personal login will be all of the files and folders that we have actually invited you to. So anything that we may have invited you to under here. So you can see under the published folder that I have some years and some documents under there. But all you need to remember is that you should be going to box.com to do your login, and that will bring you straight back to your access here, or alternatively, as I said, there'll be an email anytime we upload another document for you. So if you would like any more information, and it's automatically logged me in, but if you would like any more information at all on how to use Box, just let us know and we can do some live demonstrations or make sure that your accounts are set up properly.